I'm Ayse Birsel, and I'm so excited about this Design the Life You Love kit with Makesy, and we hope that it will bring you joy and remind you of the principles of designing your life playfully, with optimism, with empathy. So when you get your Design the Life You Love kit, where would you start? So you have the Makesy Lullaby Love Room and Pillow Spray do-it-yourself kit. And the Playful Bunny is about reminding you to be playful, because when we're playing, we're not afraid of making mistakes. We're like kids, so that's what this bunny represents. Empathy slippers probably is next, so that you can put yourself in the shoes of somebody else. That reminds you to have empathy for yourself and for others. Right when you're comfortable like that, you can pick up the Optimism glass that reminds you that, you know, life and everything is always half full. Before you kind of completely close your eyes, use the pillow and room spray, and then put on your sleep-on mask. Sleep on things and let your unconscious do the work, and then fall asleep. The kit also includes a little booklet that explains the purpose of this whole kit, and so it has these drawings that I've made. Do I look like myself? And then there's a little exercise to help you remember what brings you joy, which of course is the theme of everything around Design the Life You Love and what Makesy does. It felt just the perfect connection to have, to do this kit together. Have fun, and I hope this will all bring you some joy, because we created the collection with joy and love.